Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best 3D printed animals is probably one of the most fascinating and rapidly evolving areas in the world of collectibles and educational toys, offering a unique blend of technology and artistry that brings creatures from imagination and reality right into your hands with incredible detail and customization options. Number 5. 25 PCS 3D printed articulated animal figurines. Experience incredible detail with these miniature animal figurines. Each one is meticulously crafted using advanced 3D printing technology for a smooth, lifelike finish. These figures aren't just for looking at. With movable joints, they're perfect for fidgeting or sparking imaginative play sessions. Discover a delightful variety of cute animal designs in this collection. From playful sea creatures to charming land animals, there's a friend for everyone. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, these toys are safe for endless hours of fun. They're built to last, providing entertainment and stress relief for all ages. These tiny, lightweight figures are ideal for collecting, decorating your desk, or gifting to any animal lover. They bring joy to kids, boys, and girls alike. Looking for the perfect gift? These make fantastic party favors, classroom rewards, stocking stuffers, and so much more for any celebration. What we like? If you're looking for a large set of fun, flexible animal figures for party favors or classroom rewards, this is a great choice. Their articulated joints make them perfect as fidget toys for keeping hands busy. They are also made from durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for kids and adults alike. What people say? The articulation is surprisingly good, allowing for a wide range of poses. The detail on the scales and textures is very impressive for a 3D printed item. It's a solid piece, feels durable and well constructed. Number 4. MONJITA 35 PCS Mini 3D Printed Animal Figurines. Introducing a delightful set of 35 mini animal figurines from MONJITA. Each one is meticulously crafted using advanced 3D printing technology for a realistic and refined appearance. These aren't just static figures. They are designed with movable joints. You can bend and pose them, making them perfect fidget toys for both kids and adults seeking stress relief or imaginative play. This collection features an adorable variety of animals, perfect for displaying on your desk or shelf. They add a touch of charm and fun wherever you choose to place them. Crafted from high-quality materials, these figurines are safe for children aged 3 and up and built to withstand play. They come ready as the perfect small gift for any occasion. These tiny animal toys are incredibly versatile. Use them as party favors, student rewards, desk companions, or travel buddies. They bring joy and charm to any setting. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? These charming figurines are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or as carnival prizes, guaranteed to bring smiles. What we like? For those who appreciate detailed and realistic designs, this set offers high-precision 3D printing for a refined look. The articulated and flexible nature makes them excellent fidget toys for stress relief. If you want a collection of cute desk decor or small gifts for students, these are ideal. What people say? The articulation is surprisingly good, allowing for a wide range of poses. The detail on the scales and textures is very impressive for a 3D printed item. It's larger than I expected, which is a nice surprise for the value. Number 3. 3D printed dragon egg with dragon inside. Discover a magical surprise with our 3D printed dragon egg. Inside, you'll find a fascinating dragon, ready to hatch into your world. Each dragon boasts lifelike eyes and unique color patterns, thanks to the special 3D printing process. This ensures your collectible is truly one of a kind. Crafted from high-quality PLA, this toy is designed with smooth, rounded edges for safe handling. It's perfect for both children and adults to enjoy. With articulated limbs, this dragon offers interactive movement to help reduce stress and anxiety. It's an ideal desk companion for promoting focus and calm. The included dragon egg is reinforced for extra durability, ensuring it withstands play and display. This makes it a long-lasting collectible piece. Looking for a unique Easter gift? This dragon and egg set is a fun and meaningful surprise, perfect for filling Easter baskets or delighting fantasy fans. What we like? If you love a bit of mystery and fantasy, this 3D printed dragon egg with a dragon inside is perfect for you. The articulated limbs offer interactive movement for stress relief, and each piece has unique color patterns, making it a one-of-a-kind collectible. It's an ideal surprise gift or Easter basket stuffer for dragon enthusiasts. What people say. The articulation is surprisingly good, allowing for a wide range of poses. The detail in the printing is very fine, capturing the texture of the animal's skin fur effectively. It's a sturdy piece, feels like it will hold up well to handling. Number 2. 3D printed octopus, customizable articulated animal model. Introducing a unique, customizable octopus, brought to life with advanced 3D printing technology. This articulated model is made to order, ensuring a one-of-a-kind piece for your collection. Each one is fully articulated, allowing for dynamic posing and display. You can customize it to your exact preferences, making it truly yours. This impressive X-large model features a vibrant red body with contrasting white tentacles. Its striking color combination is sure to make a statement. Whether you're looking for a unique piece of art for your home or a memorable gift, this octopus is an excellent choice. Its detailed design and customizability offer endless appeal. Don't miss out on owning this extraordinary 3D printed creation. Order your personalized octopus today and experience the magic of custom art. What we like. If you desire a truly personalized and impressive 3D printed animal, this customizable octopus is the way to go. Available in an X-large size and made to order, you can get exactly what you envision. It's perfect for those who want a unique, large-scale display piece or a special gift. What people say. The articulation is surprisingly good, allowing for a wide range of poses. The detail on the scales and textures is very intricate and well executed. It's a solid piece, feels durable and the joints move smoothly without feeling loose. Number 1. 3D printed rattlesnake, customizable articulated animal model. Introducing a realistic 3D printed snake model that's both fun to fidget with and amazing to display. Its lifelike articulation and authentic rattle sound make it truly unique. This intricate model is a one-of-a-kind creation, designed by the incomparable McJiber. It's available in numerous colors and 4 sizes to suit your preferences. You can choose a more lifelike display piece or a colorful fidget toy for the snake enthusiast in your life. It's a versatile addition to any collection. Proudly made in the USA by 3D Menagerie, our small business uses high-end printers to ensure the quality of each print. We are passionate hobbyists dedicated to creating the best 3D models. While 3D printing has inherent inconsistencies, we guarantee our products meet or exceed the quality shown in the pictures. We continuously strive to perfect our methods. Please note that articulated models are not suitable for small children due to small parts that could break off. The 3D Menagerie is not liable for misuse of its products. What we like. For the snake enthusiast or someone who loves unique fidget toys, this 3D printed rattlesnake is a standout. Its realistic design, articulated body, and authentic rattle sound make it incredibly fun and engaging. If you're looking for a customizable piece in various colors and sizes for display or fidgeting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The articulation is surprisingly good, allowing for a wide range of poses. The detail on the scales and textures is very intricate and well executed. It's a great display piece, the colors are vibrant and it holds its shape perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.